Hello students, so today we will continue self practice 10b. In the last class we have solved till question number 3. Now today we will solve question number 4. Now see in this question there is a triangle ABC. This is the right angle triangle. Angle A. Triangle ABC is right angle at B and BC is produced to D. Exterior angle ACD is given 7x minus 9 degree. And angle A is given, this angle is given 3x plus 5 degree. And we have to find angle ACD. Now see this angle ACD. How we find? This is the exterior angle, and the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So we will make equation that. So what we write? Exterior angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Now the measurement of exterior angle ACD is given 7x minus 9 and angle A is equals to 3x plus 5 plus angle B is equals to 90 degree. Now we got the equation. Now we solve for x. Transpose this x to the left hand side. 7x minus 3x is equals to 90 plus 5 95. Transpose this minus 9 to the right hand side plus 9. Now 7x minus 3x gives you the 4x. 95 plus 9 gives you the 114. Now x is equals to 114. No, sorry, 104. 95 plus 9 gives you the 104. And 104 divided by 4. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. So the value of x you got 26. So now we will find this angle, exterior angle ACD, and after that we can calculate the angle ACD. So what is the angle ACD? Now angle ACD is equals to 7x minus 9, that is 7, the value of x is 26 minus 9. 7 6 is 42, 24, 7 2 is 14, 2 plus 14 plus 4, 18, 182 minus 9. So what you will get the value? 12 minus 9, 3, that is 173. So measurement of angle ACD is equals to 173 degree. That is the answer of question number 4. Now we move to the next question, question number 5. In this way, to find the unknown mark angle without using the angle sum property of the triangle. See the fifth thing how we do. In this there is a triangle. That is 62 degree. That is C degree. And this one angle is 32 degree. This angle is B degree. And that angle is A degree. So we have to find this unknown angle without using the angle sum property of triangle. In this we don't have to use the angle sum property of the triangle. See how we find by the exterior angle property. Angle A is the exterior angle, it will be the equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So angle A is equals to 32 plus 62. Reason exterior angle property. So A will be 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 3 9, 94 degree. Angle A we got. Now angle A and B both are the linear pair. So what you write? A plus B is equals to 180 degree. Reason? Linear pair. Linear pair. Because both angles are made on a straight line. So the measurement of these two, if any two angles is made on a straight line like this, the A and B, so their sum will be a linear pair. See, half circle is there, semicircle. And the measurement of the semicircle is 180 degree. Now put the value of A. A is 94 plus B equals to 180 degree. Now B is equals to 180 degree minus 94. So what will be the value of B? From 10 4 is subtracted 6. From 7 17. 9 is subtracted 8. 86 degree. So what will get? 86 degree. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will solve the remaining question of this self practice 10B. So thank you for your kind attention.